Hi, this is me. We just come back from buying some stuff at the Korean grocery stores where we have dine in with some noodles and crispy shrimp and pancit. That's what we have. I got myself this one, sweet cherry, 6.99 a pound. So I won't wait till it becomes cheaper. So 6.99 a pound. This cost me $15 for this. Anyway, my first bite of this. This is how big it is. Harap. I also buy myself this one. This is Korean rice cracker mix yugwa. Mix yugwa. And this is a Korean biscuit. I got myself. I think I remember the taste of this. And I haven't tried it for the longest time, so I'm also gonna try and eat this. First time in a Korean grocery store. My goodness. It's like you're in the Philippines. There's ampalaya, okra. There's even patola, miswa. And it's so fresh and it's good. So I got myself that one. And what else? I also buy myself tangerine, which is good. So another one. It's so good. Where is the seed? This is also, I learned to eat this from my sister. And she's in California. She bought this. And so from then on, me and baby, my sister Feli, we also buy this all the time. We don't care how much a pound. But when it's about season, it becomes $3.99 a pound and then $1.99 a pound. But right now, $6.99. Good. Mm. I wish I could share it to my sister. But even if you like to eat it, you can only eat so much because somehow your stomach says, oh, that's about it. It's not that sour, it's not that, but it's sweet, it tastes good and fresh. Mm. Mm. Nakakailan na ako. I already have about 7 of these. I think I'm gonna eat about 10. I wish I could bring some sa'yo, ate. Kaya lang, by the time I go home in September, it's out of the season. Wala na siyang ganito. Magi-start siya ngayong May. So, May, June, July, mga ganon. Sarap. Alam mo bang we're able to buy ampalaya, yung maliliit na ganon? Ampalaya, eggplant, okra. Nakabili kami ng patola, miswa. I just didn't buy meat or fish. Because there's meat around close by. Bumili ako miswa. So, iluluto ko yung miswa, ilalagay ko yung gulay. So, tingnan natin ang mangyayari pag niluto ko yun. Papakita ko rin sa'yo. Anyway, medyo umaasim na yung tiyan ko. Kaya, whether you like it or not, you need to stop after eating so much of this. Physically attacking people for their beliefs, of course, is fascism and an actual attack on democracy. So what has the response been from powerful people in Britain? Well, of course, they support it. The columnist The Guardian called it justifiable political theater. Burger King's UK Twitter account, your people in Scotland were selling milkshakes all weekend. Have fun. A little woke capitalism for you. And the founder of Charlton Brewing Company in Manchester said that throwing milkshakes was not enough. Instead, quote, hit them over the head with a brick, as is traditional. Okay. Surprised, though, the left stopped caring about democracy long ago. It's about 8 minutes that I'm eating all this. Any behavior is justified if it gets them more of it. I think one more. It's getting hard to keep track of all the things that are racist these days. Jefferson statues, milk, not wanting African Americans to abort their children, that's racist. Now add another one to the long list. Sana binidyo ko yung Korean store na yung Asian store, Asian supermarket ang tawag nila, pero mostly mga Asian food ang, and it's really fresh, at saka marami kayong makikitang magugustuhan nyo dun sa pinuntahan namin. So, okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.